Zoom just took a giant leap into the future of work. On March 18th, the video conferencing giant unveiled a wave of powerful AI updates designed to supercharge productivity, collaboration, and customer care. From Zoom Meetings to Zoom Contact Center, these updates are set to transform how businesses and individuals communicate and collaborate. At the heart of this upgrade is the enhanced Zoom AI Companion. It's no longer just a personal assistant, it's now agentic, capable of taking action for you. Think calendar management, writing assistance, generating meeting clips, and more, all done autonomously. For businesses, Zoom is rolling out specialized AI agents. Revenue teams will soon have access to a dedicated sales agent that delivers automated insights, personalized outreach, and enhanced prospecting tools to boost sales performance. And here's the game changer. An open platform allowing users to integrate third-party AI agents like ServiceNow or even build their own tailored solutions. For everything from IT requests to HR workflows. Customer support gets smarter too. Zoom Contact Center is introducing specialized AI agents to streamline queries, improve response times, and enhance overall customer experience. But it doesn't stop there. Non-agentic updates include custom AI avatars, real-time meeting summaries, small language models for quick tasks, and advanced search capabilities across internal and external data sources. Zoom is also bringing industry-specific solutions to the table. For healthcare professionals, automatic clinical note generation. For educators, AI-powered lecture summaries and assignment ideas. And for frontline workers, streamlined communication and task management, all powered by AI. With these innovations, Zoom isn't just redefining meetings, it's reshaping how we work, learn, and connect. The future of collaboration starts now.